This is Oklahoma's own News 9.
Well, joining us again this morning is David Brooks with the Made in Oklahoma Coalition. And this morning we're making kicked up sausage and pasta.
Yes.
And this is interesting because it involves salsa.
Salsa that's olive oil based.
That's
We'll
so
tell you
cool.
about that in a minute. And you call this a what?
Sizzle cam.
The sizzle
The
cam.
sizzle
'Cause
cam.
This is, I'm cooking it all here this morning. That's why I got here at 5:30. So in case you guys are wondering.
Wow, he beat me here.
That's a big old pot of pasta from Della Terra. That's some rigatoni, which you're going to dish up in a minute for us, and we're going to send you the sauce. Now, to make this sauce, this is simply, and I'm just let that keep cooking.
Okay.
Would you put a 3-inch puddle of olive oil in there, because that's a tablespoon.
Okay.
Let's see if she can do it.
We're gonna.
One. Look.
There.
That's it. That's perfect. Now,
Wow.
now a
Nailed it.
heaping
Improvement.
helping of garlic.
A heaping.
And I'm gonna turn that
How
on.
much is a heaping helping? Like this?
Yeah, is that good?
A little more?
That looks like
You
a
like
heap
garlic?
of help 'em.
I
Yeah,
like
love
garlic. We'll do a little
Oh,
more.
yeah, it'll ring your
yeah.
don't talk to anybody the rest of
I
the
know.
day. Now, what we're going to do when we get there, we're going to take this is some good old Mountain View
Okay.
smoked sausage. Packages there and there. This is a good Oklahoma Country distiller. And
Okay.
what had happened is the young lady who is the sales manager for this company became Made in Oklahoma's first female president.
Oh, we love that.
Yeah, I don't know how it happened. I mean, but she's a great girl. If you want to stir
Okay.
that up, it's not going to get sizzling like this. But now what is in this pan is, and I'm going to put this in here so you can start sloshing that out, because this is the goodness.
The control room, I'm making your extra food right now.
Oh, yeah.
In this pan. So
All right.
root me on.
Now I turn that, okay. Now I'm going to let that continue to
That looks
sizzle.
so good.
What we're going to do, this is Ace in the Bowl salsa.
Okay.
Ace in the Bowl salsa is olive oil based. This is hot.
Okay.
You like hot.
I love hot.
I'm
You
not
like
a
to
huge-
watch people eat hot.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of spicy.
Put the-
What's wrong with me? My husband loves spicy too.
Well, it's because you're from a little bit farther up north, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
That-
I'm
that's
a
gotta be it.
northerner now.
They eat little bitty hamburgers, White Castle. This is some good old broccolini. If it's little broccoli, it's broccolini.
Okay.
don't
Oh, I didn't
why.
even know that.
Yeah, I think it's
Just
a
thought
way
it
to
was all
charge more for broccoli. Now, this is some Scissortail Farms basil. Cut it up. You can either put it on later, like this, so it'll be fresh looking. In fact, I'm going to give you that, and
All
you
right.
can start dishing this up.
Okay.
This we're going to put in here and let it just cook down with it. Now, this
Okay.
needs about 20 or 25 minutes.
Not too bad.
No, that's not bad at all. 20, 25 minutes,
Okay.
you're done. How's he
Easy
doing?
peasy.
I think I'm doing okay.
Not
doing
too
all right.
many
I am.
ingredients.
I'm looking at the clock too.
Oh,
I
no,
know.
no, we're going to
Gotta
get,
do-
we're going to
Not
get,
too many
that.
ingredients. I hate when I
No,
have
this
to
seems-
chop
this
a
seems
million
pretty,
things.
we're going to get
simple.
no heat over here.
Yeah.
No.
Throw a little meat on top. Now, see what you think of that, and
Okay.
see if you think it's hurt you hot.
And then I'll give Andrew his weather open.
Yeah.
Do the big voice
Now,
when he leaves.
I'll test out the hot real
Oh, it's
quick.
good.
Oh, yeah, see if it's
Just,
too
it's
hot.
just to
spicy,
make
though.
sure. Just to make sure.
It's a little spicy.
Isn't it? Isn't it good, though?
It's a little spicy. Okay, Andrew.
MIOcoalition.com from the Bob Mills
I hope your
Weather
mouth
Center.
is
Weather
on
Center.
fire. From the Bob Mills
there's
Weather
a little
Center.
spice on this.
We have to send to Andrew. Do you need some water? You
Yeah.
want me to go get you some water?
Oh, no, I'm totally
Okay.
fine. Yeah, trust me.
Okay.
I like heat. Heat's good.